Hi, I'm Dr. Arambulo at sa episode na to na Hair Loss Talk ay sasagutin ko yung pinaka-common na question. Magkano ba ang hair transplantation? How much is hair transplantation? Hi, I'm Dr. Julieta Peralta-Arambulo. At isang pasasalamat na sa araw na ito may nag-follow up na isang pasyente 5 months after hair transplantation. At pakinggan natin ang comment niya.
Regarding the cost of hair transplant, it's not cheap, but it's value for money. Considering the work done, very tedious, time-consuming, and the staff and the team, they're very professional and parang no error, you don't expect any error, and there's value for money talaga. So I'd rather pay than scrimp on it and regret it later. So don't worry about the cost because it's worth it.
Para maintindihan mo kung magkano ba ang hair transplant, first thing you should do is schedule a consultation appointment. Consultation is walking the patient through the hair transplant procedure. I need to know your goal and discuss with you whether your goal is possible or not based on your hair donor bank. Ito explain ko during consultation. And this concern varies per patient. Kaya hindi pwedeng i-discuss yung cost ng hair transplant through text messaging. The decision to undergo hair transplant surgery should be well thought out and never done in haste. Why? Dahil dito, there are black market clinics and I hope na magkaroon ng public awareness. And this is a worldwide concern. These are some of the characteristics na sana bigyan nyo ng panahon na basahin nyo. You have to do your own research to find a good ethical hair transplant surgeon. Visit these websites para maintindihan nyo ano ba ang good and ethical hair transplant surgeon. Ang hair transplant din ay may teamwork, but the physician's special training and updated knowledge are necessary to produce skilled assistants. And this is my well-trained surgical team. I am proud to say that they are dedicated to excellence, work with enthusiasm, and honesty. Every case is a new experience for all of us, which is very exciting. And we all know that we ought to give our best. And because of the spirit of unity and the passion we have, we produce results appreciated as beauty and has emotional power. As I always say, hair transplant is an art. Your choice of physician should be based on proofs of efficiency, the experience, and the surgical team, and most of all, the authentic, excellent results. Maliwanag na maliwanag with us, every strand of transplanted hair is growing. Our work speaks for us, and this is, I call the Arambulo's hair transplant signature. Panurin niyo yung YouTube videos namin to see clearly and appreciate the authenticity of our results. This is the good news. The ISHRS pro bono service sa mga victims of illicit practices in hair transplant, yung mga nagkamali ng desisyon. So just research on Fight the Fight campaign. I support this ISHRS program. And I'm looking forward to participate in this program, which is a yearly event. Call us to find out for the requirements. Sana naintindihan mo sa episode na to magkano ba ang hair transplantation. Kung seryoso ka, kailangan mag-schedule ka ng consultation. And kung meron ka pang katanungan na hindi ko nasagot dito, ay i-comment down below at sasagutin ko to the best of my knowledge and ability. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channels para updated ka sa mga latest developments and innovations, treatments sa hair loss problem.